Hi, welcome to East Coast Travel, and today I'm here at the station Kereta Api Tumpat, and this is the train station at the Tumpat town. This is the terminal, the last terminal on the East Coast line of Malaysian train. But actually this is the starting place for the famous jungle train to other part of Malaysia. But right now they are, and this one is the, right now it's 2015, and this is the last year they got really bad flood in this area, and so the train from here to Kuala Musang cannot operate. If you want to go by train, you can buy ticket here and they will ship you by bus to Kuala Musang, and after that then take a train to Johor Bahru near the Singapore. Order the orange juice. Stand looking orange juice. Got to try this one. So the train station is quiet now. No passenger because no train living here. And they said they will operate by next year. Thanks for watching. It's called Travel on YouTube.